Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a great personality is with us, a regular speaker and responsible speaker. He is Harish Prasapati. Today, we're going to discuss how to become unstoppable. So, becoming unstoppable requires a combination of mental, physical, and emotional strength. And first of all, to set a clear goal, start by setting clear goal yourself. This will help you to stay focused and motivated and face off obstacles and develop growth of mindset. Then I have to come to the cultivate of mental toughness and also the take care of your physical health and build support system and embrace failure and also keep learning. So continuously learning new skills and the knowledge will keep you sharp and adaptable and new challenges. So remember, so the becoming unstoppable is not a one time event, but a continuous process of growth and development. Keep pushing yourself to become better every day, and you will be well on your way to becoming unstoppable. And there are many points there now. I am handing over to our speaker, Hariprasad sir. Please respond on this
Thanks a lot,
topic.
sir.
Yeah, yeah.
It's my pleasure to be once again and on this platform. Uh, Unstoppable. How to be unstoppable? You have seen so many people, those who have achieved lots of things in their life. Still, they are not satisfied, and they are achieving lots of success without being tired. How this can be possible? Let's say for a while somebody can achieve success, but a person would not be satisfied. He goes for the other field, other field, and still he doesn't be fail. How it can be possible? Is there any magic trick? Is there any way? Is there any rule, or is there any trick? Exactly, we would be talking upon that. Now, how somebody can be unstoppable, such as David Coggin, such as there were a player whose name is Yadvendra Chahal. We can say that he was also kind of unstoppable player because earlier he was national level chess player. Later on, he became cricketer, international cricketer. There was a player. His name was A.B. de Villiers, who had played so many sports, cricket, football, so many hockey. How this can be possible? There are people around us, those who can play so many things. Let's say, such as Govind sir, I would like to mention his name. He's not only teacher, he can play musical instrument, and I have heard a melodious flute, voice. The way he play flute, it's amazing. He has been doing YouTube. He's a YouTuber. So many things. People don't be stop. How this can be possible at any place? There are some tips which I would be going to share with you, and that definitely will help you out to be an unstoppable with lots of success and prosperity. Now, first thing, you must have learning approach. If you don't have learning approach, then you can't be successful in your life. Why I have been saying, let's say you are going for the field, going for the success, and you get stuck after a particular time, you don't learn. It has been rightly said that half knowledge is kind of the destroying way of your life. So don't go with the half knowledge. Learn that thing, achieve something in that field, and then if you want, so you can shift yourself in another field. But the fact is, and the conclusion is of this, you must have curiosity. If you don't have curiosity, you can't keep that thing in your mind, and you can't go ahead with this particular idea. Number two, when you think unstoppable, what comes in your mind? Set a goal, as Govind sir said, and work upon that. Go through entire process. Burn yourself. If you burn yourself, only then you could shine. Otherwise, there would be a no way. Number three, that is also one kind of quality which I found in so many successful people, and so many people, those are unstoppable and they do work in their life. That is, be normal, be common, don't take pressure. Why I have been saying, let me give you an example. Once I was listening an interview of one of the great athletics. His name is Saint Gold. So interviewer asked him a question. What do you think when your race about to start? He replied, amazing. And I got also shocked. He replied there, when I go for race and before a couple of seconds, I do think what I'll eat in my evening dinner, with whom I would talk, how I would spend my time. So what happened in this process? You be simple, your blood pressure doesn't go high, you be normal, and this is how your politeness would hold your timing. That's what I would say to you. This is a particular word. So what will happen if you would be normal? Then you will not get a pressure, and you will not get a pressure. Then you can give your 100%. This is how you can be unstoppable. Think like a people; those are unstoppable. Let me give you a fourth one idea. When we do talk about unstoppable people, what you will have to do? Think like unstoppable people. What do they think? Let's say if you are enjoying, do enjoy. Do full focus upon your enjoyment. But whenever you are working, do 110% focus on your work. This is how. Now, number five, and which one would be last? There are a lot of rules and there are a lot of technique that I would like to share with you. There is a habit rule or habit law, which says up to 21 day you would do any kind of the thing, you will be habitual. You can definitely follow that. There is a rule of 20 hour. Are you getting 20 hour rule, in which what you could do? Let's say if you want to do good at any kind of the field, you can follow that rule. Just try to understand the by and large idea of that. Let's say if anybody is preparing for an interview, just try to understand what is the by and large of idea of that. Let's say uh, you don't understand English, do practice around 20 hours, in which try to understand why are you learning English, and do that only practice. Definitely it will help you. It is a kind of the shortcut which I am telling for the advanced people. And of course there is a kind of, if still you want to just climb a mountain, then what you could do, there is a law which says if you would do 5,000 hour practice, then you can do anything on this planet. So let's say you can't do it because it is really difficult to share your 1 hour, 2 hour, 10 hour, 8 hour, because it will take around 5 years. But at least you can be a best of your society. At least you can be a best of your city. So it will take 500 hour or the 300 something. So what you could do a work, be honest, be loyal, and just give your best. These are the things which make you unstoppable. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Because we should never stop learning because life always teaches a new lessons. So when you stop learning, that means you become the old age. So
Hmm.
that's it that you have to keep on learning something because when you learn anything, when you active in learning, automatically your life will be great and blissful. And because after success, we should never take rest. And if you take rest, what will happen? Many lips will pronounce the previous success was just like. So after success, you have to keep on just doing the same thing. So that's it. Then. So never take rest and until your last breath. So this is the life, we should always try to learn something. Even Socrates, before he going to die, before half an hour back, he learned something. How to play a lyre. It is one of instruments, in musical instruments. He could have learned because learning always to be there. You have to learn something even though you lost a breath. So that's the lesson we have learned from the greatest philosopher like Socrates. So we have to learn something, we have to update ourselves. So update ourselves, that we have to push ourselves towards perfection. So perfection is the practice important, and the practice will come, the progress will come. So first of all, practice everything, and the progress will come. Okay, thank you for great motivational words regarding this unstoppable learning. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you.